Hello, and welcome to your introduction on submitting a Training Classification Waiver Request. During this training, you will be given information on how to submit a waiver. This is important because force development offices must input the correct information into MyPers in order for the career field manager to process waivers as quickly as possible. By giving you the tools needed to understand the way to request waivers correctly the first time, we will reduce the amount of time and effort spent on the process. We will start off by going over the different types of waiver requests. After that, we will go through where to actually fill out the information and submit the waiver request. Finally, you will see how to check on the status of requests and respond to any requests for additional information when needed. For those of you who have not dealt with requesting waivers before, don't panic. We're here to give you the tools you will need to be successful. Before we get started, please make sure that you have the job aid packet on how to submit a training classification waiver request in front of you. You can find this on the A1D SharePoint. Now that you have that ready, let's pull up MyPers and get started. To begin, here are some key terms that you will need to know. AFECD, Air Force Enlisted Classification Directory. AFOCD, Air Force Officer Classification Directory. CFM, Career Field Manager. Classification, Air Force Specialty Code qualifications required to perform each specific specialty, and reference number, case number assigned to each specific classification waiver request in MyPers. Next, we will cover the types of classification waivers that may be submitted through the MyPers application system to NGB A1DC. This list is located in your job aid packet along with the AFECD and AFOCD. Now we will begin the process of submitting a waiver request in the MyPers system. From the MyPers homepage, you will navigate to Resources for FSS in the top right corner and click on Air National Guard MPS. Under the I would like to portion of this page, you will click on View More and then click on the Submit a Classification Waiver Request hyperlink. On this page, you will see general information and useful tools along with guidance for submitting a waiver request. Once you have a package which has been coordinated and approved per the Classification Waiver Guide, scroll to the Tools section and click on the A&G Training Classification Waiver Submit a Request hyperlink. On this screen, you will complete the required member information to include the civilian email address. All fields on this screen are mandatory. Once you have entered all of the required information, click on Next. From this screen, you will complete the required information. Upload all applicable files. And click Next. Once all of the files have uploaded, you will be redirected to an Interview Complete page where you will click Submit. Upon successful submission, you will see a confirmation page where you will find a hyperlink to your incident. You may now close the tab and log out of MyPers. Now that we have covered submitting a waiver request in MyPers, we will discuss how to check the status of requests. Some examples of common statuses are Open, Updated, and Request Additional or Corrected Info. A comprehensive list of the statuses is located in your job aid packet. From the MyPers homepage, go to the area titled My Account on the left side of the screen, and then click on Incidents Messages. Now you will see a list of incidents along with the incident reference number reflected in the MyPers system. Basic status information will be displayed for each incident. For detailed status information, click on the hyperlink under the Subject heading to open the incident. Our final topic is responding to a request for additional information and providing additional documentation. If additional documentation is required, this documentation will need to be submitted in a timely manner. From the MyPers homepage, you will go to the area titled My Account, which is located on the left side of the screen, and click on the Incidents Messages hyperlink. This will open all incidents which you have submitted in MyPers. Select the incident which needs to be updated and click on the hyperlink under Subject. Once the incident is opened, you will complete the required information in the Results and/or Additional Information field. Upload all applicable files. And click Submit Update to Question. Once all of the files have uploaded, you will be redirected to the My Incidents page, and the status will change to Updated. You have now completed your introduction to submitting a training classification waiver request in the MyPers application system.